Hey guys, I'm Darren with Creativity Unleashed, and today I want to show you how to make a horizontal vertical storage rack that will help you be able to keep all your metal pieces from all your projects that are extra, organized and easy to find, and will save you a lot of time and money. Time is money, boys. So this here has 50 division separations that you can stand things vertically in. Most of the separations are over 4 inches, and for the most part, what you would probably want to put in here is going to be under 4 inches. So then anything shorter than 2 feet, you can put in laying down, or you can make wooden boxes, which I'm probably going to do for like flat stock and all kinds of pieces of pipe and things. They'll fit inside of little tubs. So it'll make it easy to just pull it out, look for what you have, stick it back in, and it'll stay real neat and organized. So next time you're there, needing a piece of metal to cut, just grab it, put it in the saw, cut it to length, you're ready to go. So without further ado, let's get on with the video and show you guys how to put this thing together. So the size of the different materials I'm using here is 1.5 inch by 1/8 inch angle iron. They're 4 feet high, and the actual shelving material is a 4x8 sheet that's cut into 2 foot wide sections by 4 feet, and then they're all bent over at 1.5 inches. So it's reduced by 3 inches each direction from 2 and 4 feet. That makes any sense. I could do the math, but I'm a blind. And I'm using 4-inch C-channel to create the spacing for underneath the shelf. And the reason I'm doing it at 4 inches is so that I can use a pallet jack to be able to move the whole rack around once it's loaded with metal if I intended to move it for some reason, which is quite convenient. Or if you had a forklift, you could do that, use it for moving it. You could always put wheels on it, but they tend to add up and cost quite a lot. So. And I just cut 4 wood spacers that are the same size to space out the shelves evenly. So works quite lovely. I hope you found this build useful. I know it's very useful for me. It's exactly what I needed in the shop. I've been looking for something like this for a while, so I decided to build this. Helps keep all the bits nice and organized. So, hope you guys build one. I think you'll probably like it if you have the room for one in your shop. It would come out great. So have a great day, you guys. Check out the other stuff on Creativity Unleashed.